In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your finances and budgets in ClickUp, transforming your financial planning process into a streamlined and efficient workflow. As we dive into this, we'll be exploring the powerful finance management template in ClickUp, designed to help you manage your finances with precision and ease. It's a comprehensive tool for advanced financial planning that allows you to track budgets, monitor expenses, and analyze performance using engaging visual analytics. To start off, let's get your hands on the finance management template. You'll need to open your ClickUp dashboard and navigate to the Templates section. Once there, search for the Finance Management template and click Use Template to apply it to your workspace. This is where the magic begins, as the template is packed with features that will make managing your financial data much less daunting. Once the template is loaded into your workspace, the first task is to enter your financial data. Gather all relevant information such as your income sources, expenses, savings goals, and any other pertinent financial details. ClickUp makes this easy with user-friendly fields where you can input everything neatly and efficiently. Be sure to update your budget categories to reflect your personal or business financial needs. As you begin entering your monthly budget, take advantage of ClickUp's table view. It's highly interactive and allows you to see your budget at a glance, making adjustments wherever necessary. By clicking on each budget category, you can input the allocated amount for that month and note any specific expenses you anticipate. Next, let's move on to tracking your expenses. ClickUp ensures that this is a seamless process with its list view, where each transaction can be documented thoroughly. You can add labels, dates, amounts, and even upload receipts or any pertinent documents. This meticulous documentation will keep your finances organized and transparent. Reviewing your financial performance is a key feature of the Finance Management template. Take full advantage of the visual analytics dashboards offered by ClickUp. These dashboards are designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your spending habits, savings, and overall financial health. And the best part? It's all laid out in clear and engaging visual formats like graphs and charts, which make the analysis not only insightful, but also visually appealing. As we reach the conclusion of setting up your finances, it's time to discuss the importance of consistency. Monitoring your finances regularly is crucial to effective financial management. Set reminders within ClickUp to review your budget and expenses weekly or monthly. This practice will help ensure you stay on top of your goals and adjust for any unexpected changes in your financial situation. With this thorough setup, your financial planning in ClickUp will not only be organized, but also primed for success. Thank you for joining today's journey on mastering financial organization in ClickUp. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your financial planning as smooth as possible. Until next time, keep track and stay on top of your finances.